Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat stack filters. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat filters stack, you should just go to the app of settings as you see. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this list, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.